A car is moving on a straight road, covers one third of the certain distance with 20 km per hour and the rest with 60 km per hour. Then find average speed. So again, the same question as before, we have to find the value of average speed, and we know that average speed is always defined as total distance covered upon total time taken. So पार्टिकल के मोशन को अगर डायग्रामेटिकली डिस्कस किया जाए, लेट अस कंसिडर किसी सर्टेन डिस्टेंस को पार्टिकल कवर कर रहा है, मान लेते हैं स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए एंड एंड्स एट पॉइंट बी. Let us consider the total distance is d, and according to question, the one third part of the distance, the total distance, one third, that means d by 3, is traveled with a speed 20 km per hour, and the remaining distance, that is 2d by 3, is traveled with a speed 60 km per hour, and we have to find its average speed. So the formula of average speed is total distance covered upon total time taken. As we know that the total distance is d, so put the value in the given equation. The total distance is d and time. Now time is not given, so we can find the value of time. Let us consider the first one third distance is travelled by the particle in time t1 and the remaining distance is travelled in time t2. So the total time is t1 plus t2. As we know that t is equal to distance upon speed, and distance and speed both are given, so we can find the value of time. V average is equal to d upon, now t1, time taken to cover the distance d by 3. Now the distance upon speed is d by 3 and the speed is 20 plus t2. T2, that means distance upon speed 2d by 3 is the distance and speed is 60. Now solve the equation. D upon 60 plus, here we can cancel d upon 90. Now by taking LCM, V average is equal to d upon, now LCM is 180, here the value is 3d plus 2d. So V average is equal to d upon 5d upon 180, 180d upon 5d, and now by solving we get our final answer, that is 36 km per hour. So the final answer for the question is 36 km per hour.